So the other day I was minding my business and the mail came in. I ended up getting a box on my desk, which I was not expecting. Inside that box was this jar and this note. The jar is something from a place called the Candy Shop. It says dry pearl on the front, not very descriptive. On the back it says RUP11 Rainbow. The note says there are 20 grams in the jar. Only takes 5 to 10 grams per gallon for effect. Best over a black base. Excited to see your results. I'll be very clear. I did not talk to them about this pearl. I did not ask for this pearl. I did not pay for this pearl. But they took the time to send it, so we're gonna try it and just be honest about the results. As you can see, this has not been opened. Opening it for the first time. We also did not go on their website or do any research to see what to expect. But I will tell you, if you look at the bottom of the jar, there seems to be some things going on here. Clearly there's a color shifting effect, but I almost wonder if there's also a holographic effect. This is very high shimmer, high saturation. So let's do the old finger test first. Wow, very fluffy, very sparkly. I mean, Gabe, any thoughts? Do you know what we should be seeing from this?
I see a very vibrant, sparkly pearl.
There's going to be color shifting effects, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Do you also see the holographic kind of vibe to it?
A little bit.
I don't know what to expect. Now, he said, or she said, there's 20 grams in the jar, takes 5 to 10 grams per gallon for the effect. So does that mean we're just going to use the whole jar? Do you have a gallon opener?
Right on the...
Thank you. Are we just going to use the whole thing?
Sure.
We've got the Evo over here. It's got a black base on it. So we've got the right base. I say we use the whole jar. Because, I mean, it's not interference, so we don't have to worry about the base showing through too much.
Yeah, we want full coverage.
We want full coverage. Well, it's going in. It looks super dense. Wow. That is a lot of powder for 20 grams.
And it's just floating there.
Does it not normally float?
Sometimes it sinks pretty fast.
Yeah, sometimes it does. Okay, let's mix this up a little bit and see what kind of takes shape here. A lot of green. Oh my God, that's a lot of sparkle. I don't want to say that there's holographic effect because if when we spray it full scale there isn't, I'll be a little bit bummed out. But there's something else going on here. It's mixing well, dispersing well.
Very well.
So it's definitely not like a flake vibe. It's definitely pearl.
I got greens, golds, blues, purples popping.
Again, rainbow is on the jar. Can you say rainbow if it's not holographic? I mean, I guess they could say anything, right?
It shifts to all those colors.
Well, let's see what the stick of truth has to say. All right, I'm getting greens. I'm getting blues. Are you getting rainbow? What are you seeing?
I see blues, greens, golds, and maybe a hint of purple.
Huh. I don't know what to expect, but I'm excited. So whatever this is, going down in the Evo, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, I was able to go onto the website of the company and find the particular pigment that they sent us, and it's actually called Rainbow Unicorn Pearl 11, and they describe it as a gold to green to blue to purple chameleon pearl with a holographic rainbow shift. Now, how much of that is going to come to life once we get it outside, I have no freaking idea, but we're bringing it out right now. And the one thing I can guarantee is this is going to be a sparkly son of a bee. Trust me. So you know what to do. Take a look at it once we get it out there, kind of digest it, and leave a comment below. Rate this color 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it, if you hate it. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it yet, but I am going to link it in the description box below if you want to try it out for yourself. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. All of our kits are in one place. Thank you to the candy shop for sending this. Again, I didn't ask for it, didn't talk to them about it, didn't pay for it. So honest review. Let me know what you guys think as well. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you on the next one.